All right, you welcome back. ESM, when we go on this break, we don't talk about this particular guy for inside Benin, Jerry Gobradia, where them beat, like say tomorrow, no day. Why? Waiting be crime, or because he get tattoo for body. You can see his face. Even that eyewitness will be the talk say, they pussy blood. Now blood, they not crime at all, tattoo. Or for Edo State, they don't ban tattoo. I don't understand what they actually happen for inside Edo State. What do you not think about particular one?
The story just tire me. As in, all my nerve. That time we just watch and first of all, look and say, okay, maybe something else day will make them beat this guy. But for all the eyewitness where they interview, for them to talk, say, they don't know what the boy do. Nobody fit talk anything. Then they push the boy enter car, beat and blow head, carry stick. It pass, be careful. So now ordinary tattoo make them do all this. Because if you ask me, I don't know whether they ban tattoo, but now the person body be. Okay, if the person put tattoo, waiting don't change for the development of the state or the country. Say the person put tattoo for body.
Let me ask.
Waiting change. The price of fish in the market still they escalate. The garri still they expensive.
In short, chicken and turkey don't they expensive.
They know they allow chicken enter inside again.
Oh, yeah. So how is the tattoo for the boy?
And someone know they eat more again. So what do
I don't just understand. So everything just they upside down. The people, the priority where they're supposed to face, they no face. Then the face person will carry tattoo for body, will come out quietly from bank. Do you get your own establishment? If to say this man don't know your rights, I sure say you go don't enter that van. They go carry and go station. They go change the whole thing.
Yeah. Change the whole thing. If I even see him later, na God we go thank, because at the end of the day, the other day we did here with Mike Abdul, where they tell us stories. All of us they relive stories of the past. Where we say police go just see you for it at some particular time, and they go pack all the boys enter inside van. Before you know, they go put display arms for front of them. Say okay, then catch one they thief, then catch one they do this one. Whereas these people now people will be say then just they around their house, they do nothing. And then they just carry them, implicate them into waiting or concern them. For me, whether or not them ban tattoo for inside Edo State, like you talk, Amaka, go say I'm a state priority of the government, because we get more pressing issues for inside we obodo. Not be say person draw tattoo for him, but in body na enjoy na money he pay. Not be say it's if I'm go use it. And we they talk about say okay maybe na cultism. They say because cultists they draw tattoo. I know cultism when I did school that time. Where we say you not go even know because they no get tattoo, they no get that for head. Then they very responsible and decent. But when we not forget say appearance they very deceptive. So not be about waiting the person don't draw anybody or waiting how it face take be or how body take be. Appearance they very deceptive. So for me, the government they need to implement another way to actually curb the rate of cultism for inside Edo State. Not be by saying you go arrest people where get tattoo, and even though you go arrest them, you know go do them violently. If you say you want arrest person where get tattoo, now for questioning, you get some kind of questions where you go ask, where you go take note, say okay this person get kukere waka or you know get kukere waka. But say you go just begin to beat the person unnecessarily for on top road.
When the person don't arm, when that's not carry gun, not carry anything.
Even if not thief, he don't carry gun.
If the person get armed or the person try to assault the policeman, we go understand say okay, in they try defend themselves. But this now young man maybe say he not carry anything, just they carry on the waka innocently, and you just bring your own take spoil in blues. No.
But I know what I'll talk. I know say the rate of cultism for Edo State is skyrockets. They day for villages. In short, we know of cultism saying our boys where they university those. Then if you say you want to stop cultism, it get particular type of tattoo where they build for body. If not that one you they look for, tell the person make we see if he gets that kind of tattoo, then you arrest the person. But if you don't get that kind of tattoo, you don't get the right. Okay, if you come ban tattoo now, Edo State where we know half of the people for Edo State don't travel go abroad before. Half of both girls, both boys, both old and young, don't travel go abroad, Italy, Germany, anywhere where you talk. Yeah. And at there the rate of tattoo, they're very high. So most of them, like this guy talking, say again building. If you be saying a boy we don't stay Yankee, Tete, he just resume come house, say, you know what, I don't already get what's in they look for. Make I just stay my house, settle down, and he don't already draw tattoo. Then you come, they harass that kind of person, they'll kill them for nothing. And they really need to set their priorities right. This one where they do so, it go come make the violence come increase.
Yes.
What if that boy now can't get other people?
Yes.
Can't go see one person when you identify for there, can't catch that person, do am as he do, and then they go say don't assault
you don't kill
person.
police.
I know we stop to the talk and say our police force they need to do something about it. If not to wipe all of them, then bring in new people. Then make them one. Because really, I don't understand why you go beat person like this. I don't see the picture again. Beat person like this all because say they put tattoo for body.
Even
I really don't understand.
For Yankee where they try to emulate.
See
Yankee where they try to emulate. person go kill person, go carry gun go.
Because I just dey imagine am now say na white person or Igbo person na get this tattoo, they no go get the liver to talk to the person. They no go even get the liver to even ask the person say why you get tattoo. One incident happened on Sunday. We dey go somewhere on Sunday. Now we stop taxi, and the taxi man they follow us talk. Next time Igbo man come, he come dey ask taxi man say you dey go. If I tell you as this man change am, he change am say okay I got where you dey go. It be like make I carry can begin dey wipe am because I dey very very upset. Say for inside my own obodo,
we are still in slavery.
Yes,
that was slavery.
Yeah.
We are still in slavery. Forget about the fact say slavery don't come out. Don't they use koboko beat us again? We are still in slavery.
Yeah.
You go see people stand for queue. Once white man come, they go answer to the white man.
Yes.
But see back to this particular man's story. I just feel say the government, if you really want to work well for inside Edo State, you need to find out the police people who actually beat this man like this and bring them to book.
Yes.
Really, you need to arrest all of them where beat this man all because they create tattoo for body and they wait for him to come up from inside bank.
Can you imagine?
Nah, you never tell us that I do with money.
So then they wait. Maybe the guy go say, okay, make I tip you now or something like that.
Because you know, say Edo State for the rate of kidnapping for Edo State, they know they do say they kidnapping. Now corporate they go dress well, like say they be real human beings and kidnap people. So
and the man even talk and say,
he
gets plenty houses from inheritance from his mom, papa.
Yes.
I just say him not son of one of the Gobadia family. For
yes, and a very popular people.
Very popular family.
Yes.
Really, they need to do something about him. Not just allow this matter go under carpet.
Slavery.
Now they really need to do something for inside Edo State and concern this police people where beats this man like that, and they even get witness all around.
All around.
To witness of the fact say police beats him.
Actually beats.
Oh, too bad, really. Just too bad. All right, moving on from there, we go give you this particular story. Now, they say Akas don't threaten to release names from adultery's website. I don't even know if they get any adultery website before.
Adultery website.
Adultery website. Now, they say Ashley Madison will be a dating website where they use the advertising slogan, "Life is short." They did that as an affair group where they help married people cheat on their spouses.
Right.
Now we don't hear say Akas don't enter inside and Akas don't threaten say they go release information of about millions and millions of customers where don't marry, where they cheat. You can imagine. Now they say so far though, it's not that easy to find how this Akas they enter inside the website, but they took her inside to see how they fit actually save the faces of people where they go there look for woman or they look for man to cheat. Now Brian Kress, a blogger who first reports this breach, talks that the Akas said that they threatened to release all Ashley Madison's customers' record if the website they not shut them down. Now, part of the Akas mission now to tell them, say, may they actually shut down this website. No need to talk too much. What's nothing? Should they shut down the website? Why would a website like this even exist?
Okay, first of all, make I actually point them out. I sure say now one of the spouses of the people where they patronize that site. Now you go do this badness because if you no concern you, you no go they bothered. But a person where you be say you affect directly, now you can actually carry them upon himself. Say you want, and you remind me of one Oyibo film where be now something like this, where then they do some kind of underground things, but people no go know. On the surface of the whole thing, like spa, but the things where they have happen underground, people where they inside, they know as they happen for inside them. But for me, this kind of website, we say this kind of thing, she don't even know say they exist.
Know, my sister.
Trust me, anything if you imagine for your brain, they exist for this life. And if you ask me, say whether it's supposed to exist, I go ask you whether evil supposed to exist. No, but then we get evil for inside your bodo. So we not fit we not fit avoid the fact say badness go day, goodness go day. But now how we go take curb now we they always they look for. For this one too, I also assure you, say majority of the people where they patronize this website, now top people for inside society. Now people where we say they're big, where the whole world they look up to. Now them they always they patronize all these kind of things. And then at the end of the day, we ask ourselves, say where we actually the head go. Because if the head don't spoil, let me say the whole body don't pieces with that. Nothing where we fit do. But I like as I don't hack them, and I hope say they go even release the names. No, because we need scapegoats to learn for the future. So if they release the name, maybe we can't see Obalo Kudia for inside.
And I don't say very soon. Adultery go there very legal.
Actually, it's illegal for some countries already.
Japan.
So
business.
So for me, I don't feel say if it's supposed to exist, I mean not supposed to exist because whether I say or not, it no change the fact say it exists. I tell you, the one way even was fast like this day.
Of course.
So that one is that.
The funny thing is say for their mind now, they are looking into it. Looking into it, what are they looking into? They are on top of the matter. What are they look into? What do they do? To now, to them, they feel the right thing to do. to get that kind of site where adultery dey. Wetin we dey talk o? Adultery dey legal, so in a way, the site dey legal.
No, now only if the site dey for inside Japan. Or if na Japanese people, they patronize the site.
I thought Madison, Ashley Madison, so if you like saying that the United States.
Na US.
Well, to me, I beg, make them shut them down. Simple story, no, make it,
How
because
can we
we will get a lot of broken homes where maybe some of us, they will look up to like, yeah, they are mine. Then you can't hear say, oh, because they cheat. Even though the cheating self, I don't even understand the difference. You cheat, you get girlfriend, get mistress. We will still ask ourselves, we will still talk about this thing one of these days. What will be the difference of getting me, you agree, may your man get mistress, cheat on you, or
cheat on you,
cheat on you. Cheat on you, that's multiple women. Okay. Then get mistress, when you say now only one person, where it is.
Okay.
So you
can't get gay by the side.
Then side chick. I don't know how to put
it. Actually, construct them very well. But for me, I don't feel say they need to shut down the site because yes.
Okay.
Me when not say this particular site actually day. Wait now, make I just laugh. Me when not say particular site day. That means tens and tons of this particular site day.
This type.
Because I'm telling you, shutting down at Ashley Madison is not the solution to end you going.
But that's scapegoats now.
Scapegoats.
My sister forget. The other ones that go only buckle up and they go still exist.
All right, we go actually need to back small break right about now. But still, they put your comments on Twitter at TokTokWazobia. When they come back, I beg.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.